Good morning to one and all. Today we are going to have a discussion on DC generator. So the contents to be discussed is what is the principle, construction and working of DC generator, and what are the parts of DC generators, and the EMF equation of a generator, and you'll also study about the losses and efficiencies in DC generator and its characteristics. So we have to be known what is that the basic principle. When a conductor moves in a magnetic field, okay, the voltage will be induced in a conductor. So this is your generator action. Okay, so the point to be known is that when a conductor moves in a magnetic field, a voltage will be induced in the conductor. So there is an basic principle, so that will be discussed later, but this is what you have to be in mind. So the whole generator classes, okay, and motor classes. So when a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, the conductor experiences a mechanical force. This is your motor action. Okay, you should remember both the points. There is a generator action and the motor action. Okay, when you place a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field, okay, that will experience a mechanical force. So that is your motor action. So that it tells that when you place a conductor in magnetic field, okay, that will induce a current. Okay, current from mechanical to electrical, that action is generator. From electrical to mechanical, that action is motor. So that is what I have to explain here also. So a mechanical energy to electrical energy, that is your generator, and electrical energy to mechanical energy, that is your motor. Okay, what is a generator? A generator. So today we will discuss completely about generators. So that is what is a generator? A generator is a machine that converts mechanical energy. So what are the mechanical energy? Like some twisting. Okay, you put some energy. Okay, pedaling. Okay, for example, in your previous classes you might have studied about dynamo. Okay, so on pedaling the cycle, your dynamo in the cycle, you have a light. You might have not seen, but in your earlier days, your grandmas and might have seen that. So on pedaling, okay, putting some mechanical energy, the dynamo in your cycle will glow. So that will tend to produce an electrical energy to glow that bulb. Okay, so that mechanical energy is putting some action that will convert into electrical energy. Okay, that is a generator. What is a DC generator? Okay. The topic today is DC generator. We know what is generator. So when you put some mechanical energy, if it developed an electrical energy, then that is a generator. So then what is DC generator? A DC generator is an electrical machine, okay, which will convert mechanical energy to electrical energy in form of DC. Okay, in form of DC means the produced electrical energy is a direct current. Okay, the energy conversion is based on Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. The energy conversion will be based on a principle or law called Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Okay, then what is that principle? Okay, you should know that principle before going into the working of a DC generator and its parts. According to this law, so what is that law is, when a conductor, you should know that something that will pass the electrical energy, that is a conductor, that will allow the flow of current to flow through that object, that is a conductor. Okay, so according to the Faraday's law, when a conductor moves in a magnetic field, it cuts the magnetic lines of forces which will induce an EMF in that conductor. சரியா? ஓகே, அதாவது ஒரு கண்டக்டரை மேக்னெட்டிக் ஃபீல்ட், அதாவது நார்த் போல் சவுத் போல்னு ரெண்டு மேக்னெட் நடுவில் நீ ரெண்டையும் ஒட்டி வச்சா அது காந்தம் ஈர்த்து இருந்துடும். Okay, but when you place in a distance, that two magnets of different poles, when you place in a difference, there will be some field there. They will try to attract, so there will be some field. So when you place a conductor in that field, okay, conductor in that field, between that field there will produce an EMF. Okay, அதுக்கு நடுவில் ஒரு எலக்ட்ரோமோட்டிவ் ஃபோர்ஸ் வில் பி இன்டியூஸ்ட்னா உருவாகும். ஸோ தட் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் EMF, that force. Okay, that is a force induced. Then the magnitude of this induced EMF, or induced EMF induced ஆயிடுச்சு, depends on the rate of change of flux linkage with the conductor. Okay, so flux is something that called imaginary lines between that poles. Okay, so that induced EMF depend upon the rate of change of flux linkage with the conductor. So this EMF, okay, that's produced EMF will cause the current to flow in the conductor. This force will cause the current to flow in the conductor, which is closed, not in open circuit. Okay, which is in closed circuit. So this is your law of electromagnetic induction. Your DC generator was going to completely depend upon this law. So in your next class, or your next video, I will completely explain you about the basic parts of your DC generator. Okay, ma? So we will continue in your next class. Thank you.